What's up, dudes? Today we're bringing you a video. As we promised, we're gonna tear down this hunk of junk we tore out of that Chevy, whatever the hell it was, because I was confused.
3500.
3500. I was right.
Yeah. Once.
So, once.
So,
and that's on record.
This was terrible.
It was.
This was a pain. We're not diesel mechanics, and I don't think we're ever going to be diesel mechanics again.
Not after that experience.
I mean, just 2-hour showers every night after we were done on this. And
Dawn.
God, like, we might zoom in here in a minute and show you. This motor is this filthy after we spent, well, almost like 2 hours power washing it.
That's
like
right.
an hour and a half.
We spent
And
a lot of time power
like,
washing yours.
I can still pull just crud off of it, and it was just terrible.
The whole experience was pretty terrible.
Never again.
Yeah, especially when you put it in, you plug everything in, and nothing works.
It didn't fire. It didn't fire right away. The guy actually pulled a motor from a non-running car, and we put it in, hooked everything up, and it wouldn't fire. Ended up being his error. The injection pump was bad, so to be honest, I told him it was his deal. I let him use the shop and our tools, and he did it. He had to tear down the whole intake and the front cover to get to the injection pump. When we had both motors out sitting next to each other, he could have did it, or told us that we needed to do. That's what we needed to do. But instead, he scratched up all his little paint.
Yeah, all the paint was scratched that day.
But we figured we were gonna, might as well just come and diagnose.
Yeah, we're gonna diagnose this beauty.
I think I found the problem.
Filthy.
It's shit.
It is shit. I can agree with that. So which head do you think the actual problem is in?
See if you can break, get the impact, and see if you can break
valve
the covers. No, see if you can get the exhaust off. Hit it with the impact. I'll start on the valve covers over here.
Right. Behind the can action.
Yeah. So, we don't care about this motor whatsoever. I don't think anybody ever did its entire life, so. Don't get upset. We're not trying to piss off the engine gods, okay?
Or the diesel guys.
Or the diesel guys out there. But we just don't care. So. Don't want to bend the precious sheet metal, dude.
True.
Oh, that doesn't help when you leave one in. We don't talk about that, guys.
Yeah.
It was so caked in grease I didn't even know there was more bolts.
It happens.
Ew.
Yeah.
I wonder what it tastes like.
Death.
Right? Cancer.
Candy. Wow.
Not enough?
You got Aw, snap.
There's a big boy back.
Big boy. That is awesome.
Yeah.
I was wrong about the torque. That has more than I ever thought.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking twisted my hand.
Yeah, I'm glad. Yeah, they call them knuckle busters. 'Cause
Yeah.
when they catch, you'll bust your knuckles. So, let me get the.
Awesome.
I'm about to hold his head. Is this guy? Is he on the head or is he on the block too? He's just on the head, right?
No, I think it's both. You're not the knock him out. Yeah. All the noise pollution.
Yeah, sorry about the noise, boys. Rhyming. Our shop, metal roof, rain. What are you gonna do?
Bad combo.
I made the same error.
Knuckle busted like that.
Yeah, but you can't pick the same side I'm gonna pick. I just gotta. Come on,
Fine.
that's just the bet. I'll go this side. I'll go this side. Now, what's the bet? $1.
$1.
$1. That is one something.
$1 I'm gonna
It's one thing. Get those off me. Over here.
Yeah.
It's like the bed. Compression, yo. Don't talk about that guy.
Dangerous.
That didn't make it any easier. Get the front right now. Super valve. What do you got here?
This one got some scarring on the side.
Oh shit, yeah.
Holy! Oh wow, that's worse than I thought.
Yeah. No, cause look, it's ring wear up to here.
Yeah.
And then, but that's bad. Look at this guy. That valve that fell. Look at the piston.
Or did it actually? That's it.
Yeah, look at the piston.
Ooh, yeah.
Just
Got
a
some shards.
Just a little bit.
Let's get a close up of
Yeah,
that.
I'll get the light. You get the camera.
Yep.
Oh.
$300 valve.
Oh shit. They're fine.
Better be.
They're forged.
It's stainless, nitrite coated.
Nitrite.
No, that all doesn't work on the thing.
Ooh, look at that. Minty fresh.
All right, boys.
Let's come back.
Look at that. So, the burnt valve, the piece of it just got pounded in here and just marred up all the piston. And the other cylinder we were talking about over here, this might be a little harder to see, it's this guy. But there's ring wear, and then you look up here, that's the actual cylinder wall due to detonation. I mean, these run-up detonation, but
Too much.
too much, just couldn't take it. And if you want to see over here, the burnt valve right here. I'm about to pick it up, Zeus. I'm gonna try to put the light underneath it and see if we can see light shining through.
Yeah.
Oh, nope, didn't get the seat. But you can get a good view of the burnt valve right here.
Yeah, definitely.
Right here. Well, let's go ahead and tear down the other side.
Other side.
We'll see
And
if we
hopefully-
owe each other at all.
And, yeah. Nobody owes each other because that thing is just junk.
It was junk to begin with.
It was.
Here you go, Jesus.
Thou cursed upon his head.
Just take it. Put it down. Put it down. Take it with you.
Take
It's not safe out there. Take us with you on your journey. Flip it over.
So what do you got on this side? Just burnt valves?
So yeah, it's a burnt seat. The valve's pretty intact here.
Yeah.
But if you look at the seat here, it's really hard to notice. But it's all tore up. There you go, switch it. And this just runs on all the exhaust side. Right here. Again, this one's probably the best. But look how far that valve is pressed in there. Look at the depth-wise compared to these. This one, definite. It's not rusty like the other one, but it's like I can almost stick my fingernail in that one.
Ash caked.
And that's
Shit thing. There's no need to go any further.
You want to get a quick synopsis about this? Buy a diesel.
Buy a diesel, a new one, with the warranty.
Well, this one was just getting broken in, because I read on the internet that, 260,000 miles on a diesel is just breaking it in. So this one's just about broken in, even though it's broken. That's right. But, yeah, this is terrible. I don't.
Head gas.
Is that Velcro?
I guess so.
Yeah.
Some blue color in it.
I don't think with Velcros. Somebody's been in this before us.
Not expecting it.
Oh, and another thing this kid did. So the motor that we put in, he's having oil pressure issues. So when that motor was sitting out on my cherry picker, and he could have did that oil pump, didn't.
Yep.
Yeah. So now he has to do it in his truck. Fun job. We ain't doing it.
Nope.
Terrible. You boys ain't used to this. We used to seeing these, aren't we? Look at these. These chopsticks, manly chopsticks.
Yeah.
Can you use chopsticks?
Soy sauce is coming
Soy
out.
sauce. Self-delivering soy sauce.
Right? Oh, dude, that's an awesome.
Alright?
I dig it.
$1 million idea. Heard it right here. But we figured we would go ahead and give you guys a little video. Give you guys a video on breaking down the motor so we can see what actually was wrong with it and why it was rolling smoke instead of rolling coal.
Two different things. Very different things.
You kind of want to see black smoke when you're pushing a turbo diesel. Not, white smoke.
White. Not white at all.
I'm surprised this drove in here, to be honest. I'm surprised it had enough power to drive in here.
That's bad.
The way he was saying is he would, the higher you rev it, the more it would smooth out. Yeah. Yeah.
All the freaking pressure.
These heads are junk. You can't. There's literally nothing you can do on that one. Nothing. You can't press new seats into that. They're not. The actual physical head is ruined. Like there's nothing for the seat to go actually in because the seats are still there. Actually,
Oh.
we don't know if the seats are still there or how bad they are. But
valves on.
this is way too much work. This thing, it's already trying to get me dirty again.
I know.
And
It's trying really hard.
never again.
Oh, we'll put this kind of semi back together. But that kind of concludes the video.
Yeah. Not much else to say. Don't work on diesels.
Don't work on diesels. Pay somebody to do it, not us.
You guys stay awesome, right?